Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to attach a PowerPoint presentation to your email on Outlook in the year 2026 using a Mac computer, web-based. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, an account for Microsoft Office 365, as well as a presentation that we have created. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock, go to Launchpad, then go to the alternative web browser. Google Chrome, click on this, wait for that to load. Once it is loaded, now let's go directly to Microsoft Outlook. And then make sure that you are signed into the account. Let's now go to the top left corner, go to new email, increase the size of the email window. Let's now select the recipient, which is Rehan at ComputerScienceVideos.com. Subject, PowerPoint presentation. Let's now go into the email and type DSCSV. I hope that this email finds you well. Please see the attached Microsoft PowerPoint presentation as per your request. Let's now go to a brand new desktop and locate the PowerPoint presentation that was created as per this video. Example.pptx, click on this, and we should see the one slide that was created just for the purpose of the tutorial. Let's now quit PowerPoint. Let's now go back to the email. Let's now go to Insert, Attach File, Browse this computer. We should take us directly to the desktop. There we have example.pptx. Click on Open, and that should have now attached to the email. Let's now end the email via kind regards, admin. Let's now click on send, and that email should have sent. Let's now go to sent items. There we have it. PowerPoint presentation, DSCSV. I hope that this email finds you well. Please see the attached Microsoft PowerPoint presentation as per your request. Kind regards from the admin. Let's now click on that PowerPoint presentation to view the slides in the email. We can also browse or edit in the browser, edit in PowerPoint desktop application, save to OneDrive, copy or download, but that's all for a tutorial in the near future. We can now click on X. Let's now quit Google Chrome. And so that's for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.